Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Django REST Framework JWT for mobile apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by installing Django and Django REST Framework in your development environment. Use pip to install the necessary packages with the command pip install Django REST Framework. Next, create a new Django project by running Django admin start project myproject. Change into the project directory using cd myproject. Now, create a new app within your project using python manage.py start app myapp. Add the newly created app to your project settings by including myapp in the installed_apps list. Install the JWT package by running pip install Django REST Framework JWT. Next, update your project's settings to configure the REST framework in JWT by adding the following code: REST_framework equals default_authentication_classes, REST_framework_simplejut.authentication.jwt authentication. Next, include URLs for your JWT. Import the necessary JWT views by adding from REST_framework_simplejut.views import token obtain pair view, token refresh view. Add the following URL patterns: path, API/token token obtain pair view.as_view, name equals token_obtain_pair, path, API/token/. Now, run the migrations to set up your database with python manage.py migrate. Create a super user for testing purposes by executing python manage.py create superuser. Follow the prompts to set up the super user credentials. Now, run your Django development server with the command python manage.py run server. Once your server is running, use a tool like Postman or curl to test the token endpoint. Make a post request to http://127.0.0.1:8000/API/token/. Include a JSON body with your super user credentials, like this: username, your_username, password, your_password. If successful, you will receive an access token and a refresh token in response. You can then use the access token to authenticate requests to protected endpoints. To test the authentication, create a new view in your app and restrict access using the isAuthenticated permission class. Add the following import from REST_framework.permissions import isAuthenticated. In your view, set the permission classes to isAuthenticated. Now, make an authenticated GET request to your protected endpoint using the access token in your authorization header. Format your header like this: authorization, bearer your_access_token. If configured correctly, you should receive a successful response from your protected view. You have now set up JWT authentication for your Django REST Framework project, ready to be used in mobile applications. Consider expanding your authentication capabilities with features like token expiration and refresh mechanisms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.